Hey there, Dotson guys here with MarineMax in Charleston. Today I want to show you guys a brand new inventory boat that just arrived. This is a Scout 330 LXF. You'll see we've got her in the Scout White hull color, which is our standard hull color. We have our standard windlass, as well as our patented bow eye camera, so we can see that windlass from the helm conveniently for our driver. On this port side, we have our standard dive door or docking door. Moving to the transom, you'll see we've got a matching pair of Scout White Mercury V10 400 horsepower. She's got the new electric steering with our joystick control. Zip wakes are standard on our stepped hull running surfaces. Full walk-through transom with an Aztec decking, and as well as underwater lights on our transom there. As we step inside, we'll see that easy access across that transom. It's well lit with accent lights too if we're coming on or off the dock at night. Vertical rod racks across the back. Quick disconnect fender pins. Walk through transom door, and you'll see this big, large cockpit. Fish boxes port and starboard, as well as an aft seat that pulls out. At the back of the leaning post, you see you've got a Corian counter with cutting board, freshwater sink, sandwich fridge, and as well as a pull-out 65-quart Yeti on a track system. Looking up top, we have the rocket launchers, deck lights, as well as jail audio speakers facing to the aft. Just a quick look at that in-swinging door. So easy access with our dive ladder. You'll see quick disconnect quick disconnect ports for raw water and fresh water. Our standard bait well in the transom here. Moving on in, we'll come over to the helm. You'll see on the starboard side, we have a pull-out trash receptacle. This particular boat has a 60-40 helm split. So 40 for the driver, 60 for your companions, whether you want 3 or 2 people. Armrest, flip bolsters. At the helm itself, we have twin 16-inch Garmins integrated in that black acrylic. With our joystick and Mercury, we have our Mercury display for vessel view. Air conditioner at the helm. Heated seats are standard. Glove box with charging ports and USB ports. There's that zip weight controller, and looking up, we do have VHF, as well as a Razor light bar and a redundancy switching, but our boat does come equipped standard with digital switching. Transitioning through, we have storage drawers on the port side of the helm there. And then down below in our cabin, you'll see a nice little berth, sink, and as well as vacuum flush head system. Everything's tucked away nice and conveniently. Moving to the bow, we have a lounge seat built in front of the console, flip bolsters, as well as cup holders. Underneath here, even with that large cabin, we have a huge dry storage for everybody's day bags and accessories. We did equip this one with the power table, so in a high-low mode, here's in the table form, goes down to a bow filler, and as well as all the way to the deck out of your way. But while it's up, we'll show you the huge storage that's underneath it. And then we have, on the bow here, we have our table controls, and as well as our stereo remote. We want to use that for the front. Glove boxes, whether you use them for cooler boxes or day bags and accessories. I like the seating on this particular boat with the table up when we're under cruise. Gives someone an easy place to hold on to and feel tucked in and secured. But otherwise, there's storage all the way around. In the bow, we have our foot controls for our windlass system, and as well as our storage locker for our windlass that does have fresh water in the front. We've equipped this particular boat with the bow rod holders / cup holders. So if you want to do that aftermarket shade, we can do so and add that easily at the dealer level. You guys would like to come see this boat in person or schedule a tour of this particular boat, feel free to call us at 843-747-1889. Thanks again for watching.